Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku run February 9, 2024. 3 star Sudoku. Fifth grade. We get 217. So 217 can't come. These cells. It will come in one of these cells. Ninth row. We get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column E. 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 5, 6. It will come in one of these cells. Fourth row. We have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come these cell. It will come in one of these cells. Sixth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 3. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Sixth grade, we have 1. So 1 can't come in these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fourth row, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come in these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. Column B, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then fourth row, only 1 number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. Sixth grade, fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 8. Column I, we give 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column A, we have 3. So 3 can't come. These cells, 3 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Third grade, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. 3, 6 and 9. So 3, 6, 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Eighth row are we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Ninth row we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. And then only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Eighth row we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column A, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Ninth row, 7th row, column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Ninth row, 7th row, column D, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then third grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 7th grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then column G, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column G, only 1 number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. The 9th grade, column H, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th row and 7th row, we have 1. So one can't come these cells, one will come in one of these cells. Column C, we have 1, so one can't come, this cell, one is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. 7th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, it will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 8, so 8 can't come, this 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, only one number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 3, so 3 can't come, this cell 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 5, it will come in one of these cells. 3rd row, we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 3rd row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 4, 6, it will come in one of these cells. First row, we have 3 and 6, so 3 and 6 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 2nd row, we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 4 is confirmed here. First grade. Column A, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 9, it will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First row, 3rd row, we have pair numbers 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column D, we have 5. So 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here. And then 4 is here. Column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. 3rd row, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 2nd grade, column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. First row, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column A, first grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 9. First row, we have 1 and 9, so 1 and 9 can't come this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 3rd row, we have 9, so 9 can't come this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. First row, column A, first grade, only one number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.